Thank you very much. My dear colleagues, we come into the last part of our day today, the fourth day in allergy and respiratory medicine, and that is the launch of the Inspire program. And if you would allow me, please, I'd like to tell you that the Inspire program is basically an application that you would be able to download on your smartphone, Android and iOS. It's already available, and we did a run of trial for the last couple of days with some of the experts, and they are attending us today as a panelist. This application has many sections to it. It has question and answer section. It has patient section, patient cases section, where you can be sitting in your clinic and after, for example, finding a new finding you'd like to share with your colleagues after the patient consent and taking the confidentiality agreement, you can take some pictures to share with your colleagues, some interesting finding. This application will have live lectures like today's event will be on the application as well as on the Emirates Thoracic Society website. And we will have courses, workshops, and local and international guidelines. I think it's a beautiful platform for exchange of knowledge. It has an organized content archived for you and available at any time. It's a good communication tool like Facebook. And I feel that this is a good application to be beyond one specialty and beyond one region. That's why after the welcoming videos, we're going to have people from all over the region. We're honored to have Professor Nasser Al-Busaidi, the president of the Oman Respiratory Society. We have Dr. Bassam Mahboub from Rashid Hospital. He's the Secretary General for the Emirates Thoracic Society. Dr. Widad Nabi from Dubai, and Dr. Hussam Al-Din, also the chairman of the cultural committee of the Emirates Thoracic Society. They will have in a few minutes share with us their thoughts on the application and their suggestion, together with Mr. Muhammad Al-Alam, who has been working on the design and launch of this. First, I'd like to invite Sanofi, who are the sponsor and the founder of the Inspire program, together in collaboration with the Emirates Thoracic Society. We have John Paul, the general manager of Sanofi, have a word with you in this upcoming short video.
Thank you so much, Professor Ashraf, for your kind introduction and moreover for the very high quality of today's conference session. Distinguished doctors, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to you all. It is a great honor and privilege to address a few words on a very exciting and innovative project, Inspire. It comes at no surprise that the healthcare industry was always perceived as catching up when it comes to digital and online presence. But over the past months, digitalization of the healthcare sector has made significant leaping steps forward, bringing it at the forefront of this transformation. And while this trend brings its whole set of benefits, it also entails a new approach to the meaning of community. Interpersonal relationship and group gathering are being altered. The benefits of the small talks, the value created by the peer-to-peer exchanges or connections. Sanofi is committed to contribute to this fast-paced transformation, while of course being there side by side to provide solutions to keep humans, healthcare professionals, and patients at the very center. We are very glad and proud to unveil Inspire as one of its kind digital interactive communities for doctors by doctors. Peer-to-peer expertise sharing, society's activities and engagement, relevant educational content, and practical tips are meant to serve the purpose. Thanks to the leadership of Professor Ashraf and the Emirates Thoracic Society, the Inspire community is starting today, and we hope it will blossom here in the UAE and beyond very soon. I really believe you are now quite curious and rather excited as much as I am. So we invite you to discover more in this upcoming video.
It's new. It's so much the need of the hour. It's specially created for you, by you, about you. It is absolutely cutting edge, without cutting corners. It is inspired by your dedication, your spirit to overcome challenges, and your quest for excellence in all that you do. It is named after something you have done for the world. Through your hard work, selfless service, and progressive attitude, through good times and challenging times. Introducing Inspire. An app, a platform, a meeting point. Inspire is a dedicated peer-to-peer media for the regional medical community, a dialogue channel and an announcement podium, a launch pad, an idea stimulator, and much more. Best of all, Inspire is entirely in your own hands, online, on your phone, as easy as that. What does Inspire enable? How does it help you? Where does it add value to patient care? Let's take a look. Inspire is a unique peer-to-peer connection that enables quick and archived transfer of clinical experience. It is the ideal interactive platform, exclusively dedicated to healthcare professionals. It empowers physicians to connect, consult, and share advice with like-minded peers from diversified fields of expertise in an efficient manner through this pioneering virtual, multidisciplinary approach. Inspire enables the quick transfer of advice and practical tips rooted in expertise gained from near parallel cases that can be applied to existing real-life situations. Inspire offers open access to some of the latest medical findings, studies, pharmacology, diagnostic tools, real-life and unique cases, patient anomalies, inside information, and more. It gathers content dissipated across various channels or not yet archived. Moreover, Inspire gives you access to specialized programs and certified courses, as well as live events to keep you at the forefront of medical advancement. It is a safe platform ensuring information confidentiality. You decide what you wish to share, with whom, for how long, and with what specific reach. You can create groups within Inspire that are exclusive to those you choose. Sign up for the quantum leap in peer-to-peer media connectivity, dedicated exclusively to healthcare professionals. Capitalize on this pioneer user-friendly platform that opens new horizons and make it yours. Reach, share, advance. Inspire.
Thank you very much. I'd like to thank you for participating at the discussion, my dear colleagues, today. And I'd like to ask you, please, if you could switch your videos, if you are interested to have a video and sound recording, please. I'd like to introduce the ones that I did not introduce. I have Mikhail here from Sanofi with us. I introduced the rest of my colleagues. So I'd like to start with Mikhail from Sanofi. What do you want to tell us about this? What's your take on it?
Thank you, Dr. Ashraf. Actually, it's a great pleasure and great privilege to be here. What I like is that we are side by side to really make this transformation happening. What I really like in this is that we are really bringing the pioneer scientific medical societies with a very nice innovative startup based and rooted in Abu Dhabi to really bring the transformation and get the best of the two worlds together. What I would love is that it would begin to be a reference, like a meeting point where if you have a question, if you have an answer, then you will find it, you know, as simple as that. I'm really excited by the fact that I'm sure the users and the society members will take the ownership of the scientific agenda, the contents. So like, make it yours. It's available for you. Make it yours. Make it the way you like, and what are the direction you want to take it. I'm pretty excited by the different features that will come along the way. You know, in digital world, we always optimize and upgrade and improve. So there will be new features coming up as we go, and it will really enrich the experience and the interactivity. Finally, I will give you just a couple of tips about how to register. You will find just after this a simple QR code. You can just flash it, and you will be able to ask your registration. Since it will be a safe and private community, and we want to make sure that it stays like this, we'll need to do some verification, and then we'll give you your access later on. So
where is gonna be on the, where is the barcode scan?
Yes, here we go. It's here on the right, and I will type as well the direct connection if you need. Okay. So if you cannot flash it, you can click on the hyperlink we just posted on the chat, and you can complete your registration form as well.
Okay, great. Yeah, I can see. Great. So so basically, members, colleagues can post scientific material as a question, as a case, a lecture, or a short video of an experience. Is that right?
Exactly. That would be the share your experience, and we will be there to support you in terms of if you have difficulties in terms of creating the content or updating it. It will be very simple, but anyway, we'll be side by side with you to make sure that you can really do this communication with your colleagues.
I think it's very promising, and I'm very excited about it. And for example, for those who happen to be busy today, they can attend all the sessions on this application. You can have it, of course, on our society website, but if you're on the go, you want to listen to a talk, here you have it recorded. And I checked it out, and I saw a lot of our society's activities already being downloaded on it. I want to have our colleagues give us their impression, their thoughts about this. This is the first meeting we're holding for this application. I'll start with Professor Nasser Al-Busaidi. What do you think, Ammar?
Thank you, Ashraf. I have to say, Ashraf, first to congratulate you for the today meeting. The attendees is more than 2,300. That is magic, Ashraf, and that is not easy to get this number of attendees. Definitely by good topics and excellent speakers as well. In regards of Inspire apps, I downloaded actually 2 days back, and still I need to discover more and more. But I believe this platform will be definitely an opportunity for all of us to share our cases, to learn, to discuss, and to get answer immediately from your colleagues. So I congratulate Sanofi for this, and thank you very much to let the first people who actually download this. Thank you, Ashraf.
Thank you very much, Professor Nasser. And it'll be nice also because we can have inter-societies connections. Societies in the region have been working together in different task forces. It'd be nice to translate that into work that we can share live every day. I could imagine you, for example, seeing an interesting case in your hospital, and by the end of the day, I can share your experience and your thoughts on it. Or if you have a question for one of your colleagues, if you're not part of our WhatsApp group in UAE, you can definitely be part of the Inspire regionally.
Absolutely right.
What do you think, Abdulaziz Bassam?
Hello. Yes, thank you. أول شيء طبعا congratulations for a nice one day يعني very rich scientific program. And regarding the app, usually I'm not fond of app because there's so many apps and we are doing a lot of them. But I must say that this is one of the most user-friendly app where you just log in, very simple guide. You can find talks, you can find materials. There is link for question answers, there is link for professional and link for patients. And the only way to improve this is by using it. And I think Sanofi did well by just facilitating this. So it's not a Sanofi app, it's app for all of us. And I think, as he said, you can watch the whole conference. You can watch a lot of us who gave the talks. You can find the talks there. So I encourage everybody to use it. It took me a little time just to log in, but once I was there, it was very easy to navigate it. So good stuff, and I encourage everybody to use it. Thank you.
Professor Ashraf, your microphone is locked.
Thank you very much, Dr. Widad. Thank you very much, Abdul Aziz, for your comments. Dr. Widad, did you have any chance to have a look at the app yet?
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Ashraf, for that wonderful day. For sure, I was just in contact with Michelle for a long time about this application, and I was following it step by step. It's very, very nice. First, it was available only on the laptop, and they managed to make it on the telephone application app to make it easy for everyone to use. You can use it whenever you finish your clinic, you are outside. And you can see that the options that is available inside it is available everything. It's like a social media, but for medical purpose only. You can see there is a workshop can be downloaded there, courses, the latest updates for the guidelines, scientific web to go through it.
Thank you. Michelle, where do you think, what do you think is the best next step for people interested to download the app? What do you advise them to do?
So once apparently we managed to to correct the link because there had been a small glitch. Apparently, it was working yesterday evening. Anyway, be sure that we will share with you the link. So as simple as 1, 2, 3 in life. I like this 1, 2, 3. You will just need to click on the link or access the QR code. You will just need to fill a simple form. Since I was saying it's a private community, so it will not be open to the public, to make sure that it's safe and it stays within the boundaries of the healthcare professionals. And I say healthcare professionals, say all healthcare professionals. So physicians, respiratory therapists, nurses, of course. So just fill it. We will receive your proposed request. We'll check. And then you will receive in a short time frame your credentials and the link to download the app on Android and on App Store. And eventually the web if you want as well. As simple as 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so my experience with it was smooth, and I think this is going to be very user friendly for everybody. We're looking forward for more information from you once it's available for everybody with easy instructions. We'll be looking for Sanofi representatives, and then we can post it maybe in our society and share it with other societies in the region, like Professor Nasser and the rest of the Gulf. Any suggestions from my colleagues, Bassam, Nasser, or Widad? I think Dr. Hussam was supposed to be with us. I'm not sure if he made it. Is he around in the panel group?
He was there, but apparently
he was here 20 minutes back. I think.
That's okay.
Maybe had a connection issue.
Any suggestions from Abu Ammar or Abdul Aziz or Widad?
I need really to go again and again to see what is available, how easy to go, is it friendly, and then when I'm sure we'll communicate with Sanofi group to see what else can be added, how easy to make it easy available for everyone. I think there is room to improve it as well.
Thank you very much.
I just want also to tell my colleagues that all the lectures that they missed before during the scientific meetings, they will be easily have access to it, because everybody was asking after the conferences about the videos and we get a copy. So through this website, they can see all the lectures, they can see all the conferences that were done before, and they can whatever have as all the documents with them. So this is really very good.
So you mean the lectures hosted by Sanofi, right?
Not only Sanofi, it's all for the lecture, all the conferences. It will be downloaded there. Like you can see access to the interstitial lung diseases, you can see the asthma conferences, all the conferences, not mandatory for Sanofi only. Sanofi, they initiate that one, but whatever the materials, it's not included in Sanofi only.
Okay, that's good.
So, Muammar,
Exactly. And definitely,
for example, I have a message from Dr. Nasser Bahbahani from Kuwait saying that he missed some of the sessions. So I guess now the message for Dr. Nasser Bouhassan, no worries, you will have all the sessions on the Inspire application and you can watch all the sessions recorded there. Do you agree with that, Michelle?
I cannot agree more, and I think the comment of Dr. Awedat saying that it's really open. Yes, Sanofi is there behind, but I think the value lies that it's really open for the different societies and the different healthcare professionals. We got the final good one. Please go. I will type it again. The link. This is the final one. This one is working perfectly well. So please register. Send us your request, and then. From Sunday, probably we'll send all the elements to connect.
So Muhammad Idrisi behind the scenes has succeeded in his commitment, and he sent the link for us on time. Thank you very much, Muhammad Idrisi. Even if you're not here visually with us, I'd like Muhammad Idrisi is here. Muhammad Idrisi.
Yes, I'm here, even visually. So hi, hello everyone. Thank you very much.
We're very appreciative.
Thank you very much. Shukran. It was my pleasure.
Thank you very much. I'd like to thank you all for participating at this discussion on Inspire, and I'd like to thank Sanofi for sponsoring this innovative collaboration with the Emirates Thoracic Society. And I'd like with that in this part of the session. Any last comment by my friends or colleagues?
Very clear. I'm so happy to be here today, and actually once again it's really open. Don't think of Sanofi as being there. Just think for you, by you, and as simple as that.
We were privileged to have AstraZeneca sponsor our website, and they've done a great job taking care of our Emirates Thoracic Society website, and they've dedicated actually members like yourself from AstraZeneca the whole year until the website is launched successfully, and it's doing great. And the website we have is mainly patient oriented. This application is mainly doctors oriented. So I think I find these things complemented with our partners. We're doing great job and the product. Thank you all, and take care. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.
Thank you.